Hi, we're going to talk about creating shortcuts to programs or files. Um, Pretty much what you're going to look at doing is, let's say you want a program that is in your program section but not currently on your desktop or anywhere else, be more easily accessible. So we're just going to scroll down here and say, let's say I want OpenOffice Writer to be more accessible. So I'm going to put my mouse over the program that I want to make the shortcut of. And I have three options, and I'll show you here. You right click. First option would be send to. It's about the middle of the options here. You'll get the menu that pulls out to the right. And the third option is create shortcut. It says desktop and in brackets says create shortcut. If you select that, it will send this program to your actual desktop. Well, a lot of times you'll be running other applications, and you want it to be on the actual lower taskbar. Um, so you can select option pin to taskbar, or if you just want it to be one of the first options in your start menu every time, you can pin to start menu. We're going to do a real quick walkthrough of each option. So first, I'm going to go to send to and desktop create shortcut. And if I get rid of this, you can now see this shortcut that I've created and now move so it's easier to see. The next option, we're going to go back to programs, back to OpenOffice, back to Writer, and I'm going to right click. Then let's say I want it to be on my start menu. So now when I hit back down here and go just like I had just freshly opened, anything that's pinned to your start menu will be above the very top line. If you have nothing, you'll see the programs you've most recently opened, but it's not there, so it can change at any given time. If you pin it, it will stay in your start menu as long as you remain pinned. Now you can unpin it just by right-clicking it again and selecting Unpin. So we're going to go to Programs and show you how to pin this to your taskbar. And to me, this is one of the better options if you want it accessible even when you have a program open, because you don't have to minimize everything. So we're going to go back to Writer, right-click, and this time I'm going to choose Pin to Taskbar. And now you can see it here below. So let's say I already have Google open and I want to open Writer. Instead of having to go up and minimize to get to the shortcut on my desktop, I just go down here and select the program and it'll open. Again, to get rid of it, you can right click and unpin from task. I'm going to go ahead and close these and minimize. Shortcuts, you don't really need to decreate or create the shortcut. You'll simply just click it and drag it into your recycle bin. And that can help you make programs more accessible and easier to use. Thank you so much.